In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a fast and responsive Facebook feed like this on your Oxygen Builder website in a few easy steps. To do that, we'll be using the Smashballoon Facebook Feed Pro plugin. I'll be demonstrating using the Pro version of the plugin, but you can check out the free version with less features through the WordPress repository. To get started, head over to smashballoon.com and purchase Facebook Feed Pro. Once purchased, you can find your download link and license key for the plugin inside your Smashballoon account. Download Facebook Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress dashboard. Now we're here on my WordPress site, and to install Facebook Feed Pro, on the left-hand side, go to Plugins and click on Add Plugin. Next, at the top, click Upload Plugin, upload the zip file for Facebook Feed Pro, and click Install Now. Once it's installed successfully, click Activate Plugin. And now you can see that we have the Facebook Feed Pro plugin installed and activated. Before we can get started, on the left-hand side, you'll notice Facebook Feed. Hover over it and click on Settings. And here beside License Key, we can paste our license key from our Smashballoon account to activate the plugin. Paste it like this, and click Activate. Now we can see that our license key has been activated, and we can begin creating our Facebook feed. Once again, on the left-hand side, look for Facebook Feed, and this time click on All Feeds. To create our Facebook feed, click on Add New. For the first step of creating our feed, we'll have to select a feed type. With the plugin, you have several different options, such as displaying posts from your Facebook timeline, displaying your Facebook photos, videos, a Facebook album, events, and more. Let's continue with the timeline option, which is already selected for us, so we can click Next. For the next step, we'll have to add a source for our feed. This is where we can connect our Facebook account. Click Add New. On this page, you can click on Connect to Facebook. This will take you to Facebook, and if you're already logged in, click on Edit Access. And once you do that, you can see all the Facebook business accounts connected to your Facebook profile. Find the one you want to display inside your Facebook feed, and for us, it's this one here. So we can toggle that on, and anywhere this page shows up, you can toggle it on as well. Once that's completed, we can close this and click Continue. Now back inside the plugin, we can see our Facebook page here, so we can select it and add it as a source. Once that's done, we can now see our page available as a source. Select it and click Next. On this step, we'll have to choose a theme for the design of our Facebook feed. We have 5 options to choose from, such as the default, modern, social wall, outline, and overlap. Each one offers a unique design for your Facebook feed. For this video, let's go with the modern one, and after selecting it, click Next. Finally, we're on to the last step of creating our Facebook feed, which is selecting a template. This is for the layout of your Facebook feed. You can choose from options like the default, simple masonry, widget, and more. Let's go with the masonry template. After selecting it, click Next. And instantly, we have a live preview of our brand new Facebook feed inside the plugin. You can see the latest Facebook post from the account we connected, which is Green Grove Eatery. Before I show you how to embed this inside Oxygen Builder, let me quickly show you how you can customize this feed too. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, go into Feed Layout. Here you can customize the layout of your Facebook feed. Currently, the masonry layout is selected, which means that your posts are displayed in rows and columns. Above that is the list layout. This one displays your Facebook posts in a single column list. And last but not least, we have the carousel layout. This one lets you swipe through the posts inside your feed like this. For this video, let's continue with the masonry layout. And if you scroll down, you can choose the number of posts you want to display inside your feed initially, on desktop and mobile. At the moment, we're displaying 9 posts, which you can see inside the preview. But if you want to modify this, just enter the number of posts you want to display. For example, if we go with 3, the live preview will update to only display 3 posts. And I'm going to change that back to 9. And lastly, at the bottom, you can also choose how many columns you want inside your Facebook feed. At the moment, we have 3 columns, but if you want to modify it, just open it up and select the number of columns you want to display. For example, let's go with 2, and your Facebook feed will automatically update to show 2 columns instead of 3. I'm going to change that back to 3, and once you're happy with the layout of your Facebook feed, click Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to add a header at the top of your feed, under the Customize tab, click on Header. If we enable this feature, you'll get this awesome header at the top of your feed. This one is the visual header type, which features your profile picture, account name, bio, and the cover photo at the top. Alternatively, you can also go with the text header style, which is a simple header at the top that you can customize down below. You can enter anything you'd like, such as our Facebook posts. But for this demonstration, I'm going to stick with the visual header style, this one here. And if you make any changes, click Save on the top right corner. And lastly, I want to show you how you can moderate your feed so you can choose the exact content you want to display inside it. This time, let's go to the Settings tab and click on Filters. Here you have options to filter the content inside your feed. First, you can choose what posts you want to display. You can choose to display posts by page owner and visitors, or just visitors. Next, you can also choose whether you want to show all posts or only specific posts. If you go with the second option, you can choose the exact post types you want to display inside your feed, such as only text, shared links, videos, single photos, multiple photos or an album, and even events. I'm going to leave those all checked, and if I scroll down, you can also enter words as filters. If you enter a word into the first box, your Facebook feed will update to only show posts containing that word. Inversely, with the second box, if you enter anything here, your Facebook feed will hide any posts containing those words. And lastly, at the bottom, you can also choose to show posts within a certain date range. So it's totally up to you. You can use these filters to choose the exact content you want to display inside your feed. And if you make any changes, click click Save on the top right corner. Now that you know how to create and customize your Facebook feed, let me show you how to embed it inside Oxygen Builder. To do that, click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, and click on Add to a page. Next, select the page you want to embed your feed to, and click Add. On our WordPress web page, click on Edit in Oxygen. Now inside Oxygen Builder, we can embed our Facebook feed down here. To do that, we can search for a shortcode block. And let's use the container shortcode, so we can click, drag it, and place it here like this. Now on the right hand side inside this box, we can paste that shortcode we copied earlier like this. Once you do that, you can see a live preview of your new Facebook feed inside Oxygen Builder. We can now click on Save and check out what it looks like on the live website. Now inside our live Oxygen Builder website, if I scroll down, we can find our brand new Facebook feed right here. You can see that we have the header at the top, which includes the cover photo, profile picture, account name, bio, and the number of likes too. Scrolling down, we can see all the posts inside our feed in the masonry layout. Each post shows the account profile picture, name, when the post was published, and of course, the media as well. So we have videos, we have shared links, images, and more. Underneath each post, you can see the reactions, comments, and shares as well. You'll find buttons to share the post and to view that post on Facebook too. And if a site visitor wants to view a post, they can click on it like this, and that post will open up inside a Lightbox view. If it's a video, you can play the video inside it like this, directly on your Oxygen Builder site. You can also swipe through and view the next post as well, making it really convenient and engaging to consume your Facebook content on your website. If I go back and scroll down all the way to the bottom, you'll also find a button that says Load More. Once clicked, it will load additional Facebook posts directly inside your feed on your website. And there you have it. That's how we can easily create, customize, embed a Facebook feed like this on your Oxygen Builder website. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any issues, please contact our awesome support team and they'd be happy to help you out. Please consider subscribing to our channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.